Hi everyone, it's Tammy Mastroberte, author of the book The Universe is Talking to You. Tap into signs and synchronicity to reveal magical moments every day. And in this video, I am sharing with you 2 ways that you can use selenite crystal to tame your chaos, calm your anxiety, and recenter yourself. Selenite is one of my favorite crystals. It has so many uses. It's so awesome. And I want to share with you 2 ways that you can use it yourself to tame your chaos, to calm yourself down, to bring yourself back into balance, to get rid of any negative energy that you might be carrying inside or around your aura. So selenite is known to be a very cleansing stone. It cleanses negative energy. A lot of people will use selenite as a plate or a wand to place other crystals on to clear them. It's the best. But what also is amazing about selenite is it can cleanse your aura and it can raise your vibration and have a calming energy and influence on you. So right next to me, you'll see there's a couple of tools for selenite that I want to share with you. The first one is, and this is a small one, but this is a Selenite Wand. Okay, so this is pure selenite crystal. I have a big one of these in my family room, and I have literally these wands in a couple different rooms of my house. So the way that you can use this wand, I always tell people you can cleanse your aura with it, so you just sort of wave it in a combing motion around you. But if you're looking to sort of tame your own chaos, to calm yourself down, to recenter yourself and raise your vibration, if you're feeling extra anxious, this is your go-to crystal. So with the wand, what I like to do is, yes, you can totally wave it around your body to sort of cleanse anything that you may have picked up from outside of you. But also, I like to either sit with it in my lap while I'm meditating or just taking one of my 60-second reset breaks that I talk to you guys about all the time, just those 60 seconds to close your eyes and repeat release or some other type of mantra. I also like to lay down and just hold it on my chest and just breathe for 60 seconds or more and just sort of have it connect with me and calm me down. I'm telling you, you think this little thing won't do it, but it will do it. This tiny little guy can do it for you and can relax and can help you release. So this is the first way that I use selenite. And I love my wand, not only for cleansing my aura, but for all of the reasons that I just explained. And the great thing is you can put other crystals, jewelry, and stuff like that on it overnight to cleanse. The other tool that I love for selenite that I started using more recently is what's called selenite harmonizers. These are about 6 inches each. You can get them, I think, smaller, like 4 inches, or all different sizes. These are 6 inches, and this is made of pure selenite. They're so pretty, amazing. But what I love about these is you can hold them in your hand. So again, if you want to cleanse your aura, which extends 6 or more inches above your body, right, you can literally wave this around to cleanse to cleanse yourself all around. But what I like to do, again, during those 60-second reset breaks, or if you're a meditator and you sit for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it might be, sitting with them in either hand in your lap and just closing your eyes, and again, following your breath, repeating a mantra like release. You can use these in your 60-second breaks. You can use these for longer. You can just sit and sort of relax holding on to them. They will raise your vibration. Another thing about this is it can connect you with a higher consciousness and your angels. So it will raise your vibration. It will dispel any negative energy that you might have. And it's calming and soothing to bring down any anxiety that you might be having, to bring down any chaos that you might be having. I like to meditate holding on to these, one in each hand, and just relax, whether I'm doing a longer meditation or sometimes just throughout the day. I just need to just sit for maybe 3 minutes. I have so many different 3-minute meditations that I have offered to you guys and are available through my membership community and so many other ways, and also, of course, in my book. And so you can do it for a shorter period of time. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. So again, selenite, they're called harmonizers. This is awesome. Now, I also want to give you a bonus. So if you are interested in a list of crystals that can protect and ground you, and how to use them to protect and ground you, because again, it's protective, but it's cleansing, okay? But I want to give you a list of things that are protective and grounding so that you can help tame your chaos on a regular basis, whether you wear these crystals, whether you, as a bracelet or a necklace, whether you just carry them with you in a pocket, whether you have them on your desk, whatever it might be. I am including that as a free download. So underneath this video, you will find a link to download a list, a PDF of a bunch of different protective crystals that you can use to protect and ground yourself and ground your energy. And that's just a bonus for you guys. It's actually from my book, The Universe is Talking to You, but you can get it as a list for free in a free download that is linked below this video. So get yourself one of these little wands. They come in bigger wands as well. And I love, love, love these harmonizers. It instantly relaxes you, calms you. Keep them around. I'm telling you, I have these wands all over. You will love them. And you can bonus, it cleanses and charges your other crystals. So be sure to download the free PDF that goes with this video as a bonus gift from me to you. And I wish you a beautiful week, and I will see you guys in the next video.